Dinatabayan ako. Dinatabayan. Ha? Naman sa araw ko.
So yun po no, pagpalang gabi po mga tol. So ngayon celebrate natin birthday ni Brother Kid. Kaway. Tagal-tagal. Brother Kid. Mga tol, si Ashley, si Windel, si Joshua, si Frank. Lagi nalabas sa video. At nandito kami sa bahay ni na Kuya Pen. At dito celebrate mga tol ang mga brother sister ang birthday. Happy birthday! 24, ayun, 24 guys. Jowa na ano?
Soon.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight.
Ngayon mga tol ay kakain na kami.
Hindi siya yung ano, sauce. Hindi sa kanya yung channel, sa
Salamat
tropa niya.
Baliwag.
Siya lang yung
At dito na din nagtatapos ang ating birthday celebration ng tropa natin. Salamat sa inyong pagsama from JR Adventure. Peace out and God bless.